the Ranger RCI X9. Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick performance report on this brand new Ranger RCI X9. Been playing around with these for a little bit here, and I really like them. It's got a really nice receiver on it. It uses the RT1 transistors. It's got dual cooling fans right here on the bottom. If you haven't watched it, you can see a full intel view of this radio over on Lester's Customs page. I went with red for the video, but you got red, blue, green, purple, green again, different colored blue, and a light blue. But really like the white display here. I think it really pops. I like that as well. I like the meter. It's got a nice echo board in it. It's not that crappy echo that some of the rigs have. And it comes with a SRA 198 mic, so it's another plus. Haven't done a voltage regulator upgrade to this one or anything like that, but just wanted to do a short little video here and show you our power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We set this one up at around 5 watts, 4.5 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 30 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Nice 60 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. 145 peak. Now my meter's a little stingy, but I think it's pretty good. This radio is loaded with channels. Let's go. We go all the way up to 29,655. Go with low band. We'll drop down all the way to 24,265. So it has got loads of channels in it. Haven't found anything I didn't like about it yet. It is surface mount. I personally like that. It means zero issues with solder joints. Overall, I think it's gonna be a great radio, great addition to the Ranger line. Okay, fellas, appreciate you watching. If this is something that you're interested in, just check us out at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.